What's going on, gardeners? It's officially hot outside and we're all thinking about watering our plants, making sure they're not thirsty, not drying out, but they still need to eat, and you know that. But I'm here to show you what fertilizer is my favorite organic fertilizer to use. I'll show you a couple examples of the ones that I use, and if you stick around to the end, I'll show you exactly how to use them. Let's grow. First of all, I do want to say that I'm not sponsored in any way in this video, but if you do see something that you want to try for yourself, there are links in the description that'll take you right to the products that I use in my garden and at my clients' gardens. So here we go. In terms of organic fertilizer brands, Espoma is my favorite. Again, I'm not sponsored at all by them. I just love this stuff. They make all kinds of great singular amendments like alfalfa meal, bone meal, blood meal, lime. Almost anything you could think of, they do make it. But what I really love the most are their pre-mixed fertilizers that are geared towards certain plants or certain types of plants. For example, what I have right here that I use all the time, we have tomato tone and garden tone. If we read the label, obviously the tomato tone is for tomatoes. The garden tone is for herbs and vegetables. They also have a lot of others like berry tone, citrus tone, rose tone. All these things are super easy. They're already pre-mixed for you. They have the right nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium ratio, micronutrients, and these bags that are pre-mixed make it super easy, so you don't have to go out and buy 5 or 10 or more amendments. You can obviously do that if you want. Again, they sell those, but I think these are super easy. So besides the NPK value, the macronutrients, the micronutrients that are in there, the magnesium, calcium, all those things that you need, these premixes also contain beneficial microbes that are amazing for your soil. I think this is half the reason that I love Espoma, not just because they're all natural and organic, but because the life in your soil is actually very important. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a bag with me, but the other Espoma product that I use probably more often than both of these, which is why I don't have any on me right now, is Biotone. And now I talked about the beneficial microbes, but what's great about Biotone is it also has an NPK value. It has micro and macronutrients, but what's even better is it has the beneficial microbes that you want. It also has active mycorrhizae colonies, which is fungus. So you're getting the beneficial microbes, you're getting the bacteria, and you're getting the fungal life in your soil that is super important. So the Biotone I actually use on everything that I plant. Not just vegetables, not just herbs, not just flower, anything. If I'm gonna plant something, I'm putting a little bit of Biotone in there because it's great for your soil. It actually benefits your garden over time. The more you keep using this whenever you plant, the more that soil in that bed or that container continues to have life in it and continues to thrive for your plant. So that's my fertilizer recommendation, but here's how you use the stuff. If you're starting a new raised bed or container, you can mix this right in according to the directions on the back. It's real easy to read, tells you exactly how much to use. You can mix this right in with that new soil you're using. Now, if you're fertilizing an existing bed or container, like you would every couple weeks during the growing season, like we're in right now, what you're gonna wanna do is pull back any mulch that you have. You're gonna mix the fertilizer into the top couple inches, 1 or 2 inches of your soil. You wanna mix it in there though, because it really doesn't work if it's on the surface. It needs to be mixed in with that soil. And you wanna reapply your mulch, and then you wanna water it in, you're done. And that's it, super easy. So go get yourself some Espoma for whatever plants you're trying to grow, whether it be vegetables, fruit, flowers, herbs, whatever you're growing. Go get some Espoma, try it out. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. You can also let me know in the comments if you use something else and you love it. I think this is all about sharing. We want to teach each other things. We want to learn from each other. So if there's something you use, let me know in the comments. And if you got any value at all from this video, give it a like. And also go ahead and subscribe to see what else I get up to in this garden. I'm doing multiple videos a week. There's more to come. There's a lot I haven't talked about, so stay tuned. The easiest way to do that is subscribe. So until next time, go get growing.